A pre-approved personal loan is a variant of the regular personal loan offered by banks to their select existing customers based on their credit scores, employer's profile, income, repayment capacity, etc. Just like regular personal loans, those availing pre-approved personal loans need not pledge any security or collateral. Existing borrowers can use the funds procured from their pre-approved personal loans to meet their personal or business-related expenses except for speculative activities. Now understand the factors for pre-approved personal loans. Banks and NBFCs usually offer pre-approved personal loans to their select existing customers having good credit profiles. Among the major factors considered by these financial institutions for assessing credit profiles include the credit score, employer's profile, income, repayment capacity, etc. of their existing customers. Additionally, banks may also consider the investments or deposits related data while offering pre-approved offers, as these institutions already have access to such data of their existing customers. Note that a pre-approved personal loan is just an invitation to apply offer. Hence, lenders are free to withdraw such offers or reject any subsequent application for pre-approved personal loans in case of any adverse change in the credit scores, income, employment profile, occupation profile, etc. of an individual. Many banks offer personal loans at preferential rates to their existing customers. However, receiving a pre-approved personal loans offer does not guarantee the fetching of lowest interest rates. The personal loans interest rates offered by various banks and NBFCs to the same individual can vary widely due to multiple factors. Hence, individual planning to avail pre-approved personal loans should first check the personal loan interest rates offered by other lenders with whom they maintain deposits or have availed loans or credit cards. Then they should visit online financial marketplaces and compare the personal loan rates offered by other lenders based on their credit profiles. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.